Hey guys, what is up? It's your man Joe here, back with another video. And guys, today I have a new and improved affiliate strategy, guys, that's going to be making you passive income for $1. Yes, you heard that correctly. So, just so you all know, this is the affiliate system that I am currently using, guys, that helped me quit my job, guys, so I can do this full time and basically share the secrets to passive income by Brandon Duff. Now, just a quick history for those of you who don't know about me in general. I started out as an entrepreneur, guys. 15, I was the kid on the street, hustling neighbors, cutting grass. Started my own business. Then kind of moved to an energy consultant, working for solar companies and just working in sales in general. So I do have a sales background, and after that, I moved to affiliate marketing full time so I can do this for you guys. Now, I will say I have promoted high and low ticket affiliate marketing products in the past, and I came across some good ones, came across some bad ones. Now, this is going to be super easy for you guys, especially beginners, immediate, and more experienced people as well, but especially for beginners because it's very easy to get in with no risk. Like I said, guys, you didn't hear that incorrectly. You can get in for $1 and start making money, right? Now, it's easy money, not free money. Remember that. There's still work that needs to be implemented, but there are practical methods that I'm going to be showing you guys, and Brandon's going to be showing you guys, because this is a course with practical methods that can be applied. Now, Brandon Duff, who is he? Guys, he started out as a young entrepreneur, kind of like myself, building this system for new people coming in. Now, he has a long history in affiliate marketing, guys, but long story short, he basically made his money that he needed to make and built this system so he can basically teach others how to do it. And the commissions on this is 100%, which is extremely generous, guys. Now, in most affiliate systems, it's lower than that. But they keep it very quick and very simple for the sake of this video because I want to make it a short one, just breaking it down what it is. So, this is the system that's going to be helping you guys make unlimited $200 commissions. Now, let me break that down and kind of simplify it for you guys. So, just two sales turns into over $9,400 in 6 months just by generating two sales a week. Now, the goal is to once you get people on for that $1, you want them to remain on there for a subscription because there's a 30-day trial phase where people can get on and make money. But after the trial phase, they will be charged at $200 to continue learning with Brandon, right? So ideally, what I'm doing for people, what Brandon is doing for people, is showing basically new people how to get on this, how to learn and earn before they basically get charged, right? But it's a 90-day challenge. I encourage people who are getting into this to take it seriously, guys. If you're the type of guy who's going to come in here and basically just sit back and expect to get money, it is not for you, and it's time to leave, right? But just two sales is the income you can basically make from this. Now, the trial phase um, is 30 days before you get charged, just to re-clarify. And this is the best affiliate marketing strategy for beginners because it's such a low risk. Worst case scenario, if this doesn't go your way and you're just not feeling it, you can always cancel before you get charged at 200, right? And people are making money with this, as you can see. These are some testimonials from Brandon's customers, his previous customers, and people that are still getting on here. Look at this. This is from Eleanor. This was posted recently. Look at this. You are the only coach who's actually made me money just following your advice, and it's simple advice, right? Our person here made $950 this month, and it keeps on going. I could show you more all day long, guys, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to keep it short, okay? And this used to be $200 a month right off the bat. But again, with this trial phase, people are getting on and they're learning and earning, okay? You cannot lose because you have Brandon and you have me to hold you accountable for your own results, right? Now, for the first people that I get on this, I'm going to be there to coach you, side by side with Brandon. And he's doing that for people as well, right? So we aren't just giving you a bunch of material to learn. You're on your own. Bye bye. No, we got people here holding you accountable and actually making sure you're moving forward, guys, which is huge. Okay. A lot of people out there are going to charge you for this. But me and Brandon, well, I can't speak for Brandon, but I can speak for myself, guys. You know, I'm gonna be there for you guys. So if you need any problems, just reach out. I can, help you there if you ever get stuck or feel lost, because if you're beginning, maybe if you're not experienced, it can be a little tricky, but it's easy money, not free money. So there is work involved, right? Even though it is easy, it is very easy, especially compared to, what I used to do for work in solar sales. This is very easy, guys. Very easy. Okay, you don't have to do anything crazy like that. But it's very applicable, guys. Now, I will say, for those of you wondering, and for those of you who want to get on this, there's a trial link below this video, guys, somewhere in the description where you can jump on this and take action now, right? But I will say, closed mouths do not get fed. So if you have questions, concerns, you want to know more about this, you want to know, hey, Joe, I got more additional questions I maybe didn't cover in this short video, just reach out. Just remember, closed mouths do not get fed, okay? But I'll see you in the next video, guys, and jump on this before it's too late because that trial phase is not going to be around for much longer. Soon, it's going to be $200 just off the bat, okay? So take advantage of it. Worst case scenario, you lose $1, okay? You lose your precious 100 US cents, okay? So, this is the lowest risk affiliate offer you will get in the industry, guys. And I can't convince you otherwise because it's right there. This is the best thing since sliced bread, all right? But I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.